Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm basically going to start with all the aluminum that I can find, and I'm going to put it all here. I've already started, and that's going to involve some grinding action and just a bunch of separation. So let's get on it. I do have this grill here. This is cast aluminum, and I got another one that's over there. It's also cast aluminum. Yes. Cast aluminum. Yes. Then we've got a bunch of siding or strips or whatever this is. And then we have this looks like more like siding. This looks like angle iron strips. I don't know, just kind of angle strips. And then we have the extruded aluminum, which includes those big pieces there, and then the poles from the crutches, and then some kind of gate thing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this thing apart because this is all oh, and then we have our in this bucket here, in this little pan, we have this is aluminum breakage because I can't get those handles off without doing more damage to it anyway. So that's what that is. And these pieces, they look like they're just aluminum, and I could get like, I wish I could get that piece off there, but this piece here actually goes through all the way to there. So I mean, it's like here to here, so it's huge and it's hard to get out, so that's not worth it. Got 3 bags of cans. So anyway, oh, and I just got this tin today too. This tin is, it's pretty tall. It's like 10 feet. It's long. Here is aluminum too. Oh. Yeah, see that right there? That's not good. Glad I got that out. I'm gonna try to get there's another pole in there. Get that piece out. And then there's another piece that's in there. See that? Yeah, so that piece there, that's straight aluminum. There you are. Huh. Might be able to use that for something. You never know. I mean, it's a crank. It's just a crank. So I mean, that's pretty cool. And then you take it over there. Let's find a pole for it. And a tarp. See, this is gonna be different because this is I don't know. We'll figure it out. Doesn't have any steel screws on it. I think I can just knock this end off here. And it will come all free. Oh, knocked over the bike. Alright, so there's one clean piece. This is clean. I need a trash can for trash. I don't have one for trash. This is good enough. Some extruded aluminum. Alright, so we're heading out here in the middle of nowhere, it seems, to get a dryer and a barbecue grill. So that's what we're doing.
You need it loaded up?
If you don't mind helping me get it down, that'd be great. Oh, look at that pepper plant. Look at you.
Yeah, it's about done for the year.
Yeah, I'm a gardener myself. Most of my stuff didn't last.
Huh?
Most of my stuff didn't last to now, so.
No. You didn't do it like that.
Oh yeah, I'll be fine with that. Okay, there we go.
I've had people supposed to pick this stuff up for the last 2 weeks.
Said they would come get it?
Yeah.
Really?
Never showed up.
Get some stuff moved out of the way real quick. Stay right there.
Tell you, there's another grill up here at my boss's house. Get, but I don't know if you'll have enough room.
Oh, we can make room. I can make room.
Yeah, you want this grill up here too?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Oh man, that guy done put that in there. Oh. That's now we can. You're giving me problems right now. I've had this sucker so full. I've had this sucker so full.
Yeah.
I've had like 5 appliances and 2 grills at the same time.
Damn.
It's easier when you stick them on top of each other.
Yeah. Never got a lot of cooking done out of that thing, but the legs started to rot off. So I guess it's time
Oh
to
yeah.
go.
That's a nice grill. See, I collect these.
Yeah, the thermostat.
I get grills all the time, so I mean, might as well get something out of it, you know.
You want this?
Anything that's metal, yeah, I'll take it.
Oh, here, let me take this off. Don't need those.
You gonna need, yeah, we'll need it for the next one.
I think I'm getting a new one for Christmas, so
Yeah.
good time to let this one go. Shoot, I still cook on it though. It still works.
Yeah.
Just got to brace something up underneath the foot on it.
Stick it up in there. Gotta go up. Oh, it's still. There it goes. Perfect. All right, and he said.
Yeah, let me call him real quick.
Yeah, for sure. Would hate to get over there and get his grill and then.
Yeah, he told me the other day when I said I was having someone come pick up all this stuff, to have him pick that up.
Oh.
A little metal frame over by the shed?
Yeah.
He didn't answer, but we can go up there and get it. He told me yesterday.
Get that. She want that great. I don't know. Say again.
He didn't answer, but we can either go up there and get it, or I can give you a call back if I hear something from him.
If you don't mind going over there real quick.
Yeah, we can go get it.
Okay. You want that great?
No, you can.
Okay.
I'm trying to see if there's any more around here. I don't think so, bro.
It'd be all right. You can give me a call anytime.
All right.
I'll give you a card.
All right. I'll meet you up there.
Okay. It's a nice area. It's quiet out here. Out in the middle of nowhere.
A lot of deer out here.
Oh, I bet.
I have about 200 pounds of corn spread out down there by the fire pit.
Okay. Oh, he just got him a deck built.
You call that in, Tom.
Yeah, I'd hate to take something if he's gonna use it.
Yeah, it don't look that bad.
It's pretty covered. Don't look like they've been using it for a while though. That sucker is crazy.
Yeah, he didn't answer. I know this is one.
Well, I mean, if you'd rather me wait, I don't mind waiting. That's fine.
You come back out and get it one day?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, for sure. Let me
I
just.
just don't want to piss him off.
Yeah, that would not be good. That would not be good. Yeah, let me get you my card real quick. Your name's Skylar?
Yes, sir.
My name's Trey. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. All right, I'll give you a call if we come across more stuff as soon as I hear something about that.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. If you find anything else.
All right, I'll go, buddy. Be safe.
Appreciate it. So, because this thing moves around, I just want to tie it down to make sure that we don't go nowhere. Because, God, did you guys see that? That thing was huge. Oh, there he is right there. You see him? Ah. Creepy. Ah. Oh, I don't like spiders at all. I can't do it. Oh, I don't like spiders. Oh, that just scared me. How do we get done with this? Oh, I can't handle that. Oh, God, it just really creeps me out. I'm still just freaking out about it. See? Got me all tangled up. Ugh, it just scares me. I don't like it. I don't like him in there. Oh, and I don't know where he went either. I don't know where he went. I don't like spiders at all. And that one was a decent one. Ugh. I don't like spiders or snakes. Snakes aren't as bad, but spiders just creep me out. So right now I gotta do what I'm doing is I'm going through all the cords, all those cords and those cords. Oh, cords, there's cords over there too. Anyway, so I got kind of like 3 categories. I've got big cords, round cords, and then double power cords, like the 2 that are together like this here where it's stripped in 2. That way I'll be able to go through and I'll be able to cut these and strip these down into single parts. And then I'll have to separate them even further because, like, as you can see, this one and that one, those are two different sizes, so I'll have to separate that a little bit further, but for now it's just going to go here. And like this one here is one of those big vacuum cleaner cords. Need something like a prong thing to stick him into. Is that even possible? This is the third one. Double. How's it going? Do what? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Well, y'all enjoy. You too. Leave y'all over here. I guess we'll make 4 piles now. So we got double-sided cords. We have, well, 2 corded cords, or whatever the heck that's called. 3 are bigger cords, a really big one. And we have the thicker cords that are bigger than those cords, because those are from the vacuum cleaner, and those, I don't know what that's from. I don't remember. But anyway. here. Okay, that quarter looks bigger than that one, so, but I can't tell. It looks a little bit bigger, so we're gonna put it in this file. Put you and you to your own piles because y'all are harder to get out of. I don't know what's going on here. Don't know what's going on there. It's copper, all right, but really made this. I'm just putting this over the pile. Nice. Just gonna stick that one right there for right now. I don't think any of that is copper. I think all that is just trash. But you know, it's alright.